If you've ever owned a cheap tea kettle that took forever to boil, made weird metallic tastes in your water, or had a handle that felt like it might burn your hand every time you poured, you already know how annoying such a basic kitchen item can become. And honestly, most people don't think much about kettles until they use one that makes the whole process frustrating. That's exactly why the Primula Stewart whistling stovetop tea kettle caught my attention. This is a 1.5-quart stainless steel stovetop kettle designed for people who want something simple, reliable, and easy to live with every day. No smart screens, no complicated temperature controls, no unnecessary extras. Just a straightforward kettle that boils water quickly and fits naturally into a daily coffee or tea routine. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you notice is the design. It has that classic brushed stainless steel look that feels clean and timeless without trying too hard to look fancy. It works equally well in modern kitchens or more traditional setups. And because it's relatively compact, it doesn't dominate your stovetop space. The black folding handle gives it a slightly more practical feel compared to some decorative kettles that prioritize style over usability. And honestly, the folding handle ends up being one of the most useful features. If you have limited kitchen storage or crowded cabinets, being able to fold the handle down makes a bigger difference than you'd expect. It slides into tighter spaces easily, which is surprisingly rare with stovetop kettles. The handle itself also stays cooler than standard metal handles during normal use, so pouring feels safer and more comfortable. The stainless steel body feels lightweight, but is still durable enough for everyday use. It's made from food-grade stainless steel, which matters because cheaper kettles sometimes leave behind odd tastes or odors after repeated heating. Here, the water tastes clean, whether you're making tea, pour over coffee, instant noodles, or oatmeal. It's one of those things you don't notice immediately, but over time, it becomes clear when a kettle handles heat consistently without affecting flavor. Performance-wise, the Primula Stewart does exactly what most people actually want. It heats water fairly quickly, especially on gas stoves, and the whistle is loud enough to hear from another room without sounding overly harsh. That's important because a weak whistle defeats the entire purpose of a stovetop kettle. The flip-up spout cap is also easy to use with one hand, which sounds minor until you're trying to pour hot water half awake early in the morning. In daily use, this kettle feels refreshingly uncomplicated. There's no learning curve, no maintenance routine, and no dependence on electricity or charging bases. You fill it, heat it, pour it, and move on with your day. For people trying to simplify their kitchen setup or avoid bulky appliances cluttering countertops, that simplicity is honestly part of the appeal. Cleaning is another area where this kettle works well. The wide-mouth lid gives enough room to rinse or wipe the inside easily, which helps prevent mineral buildup over time. Some narrow kettles become frustrating to clean properly, especially if you live in an area with hard water. Here, maintenance feels manageable enough that you'll actually keep up with it. Now, there are a few things worth knowing before buying. Because this is a lighter weight stainless steel kettle, it doesn't retain heat quite as long as heavier premium kettles from brands like Le Creuset or Fellow. Also, while the handle stays reasonably cool during standard stovetop use, the metal near the spout still gets hot, so you'll need normal caution while pouring. And if you're looking for precise temperature control for specialty coffee brewing, this isn't designed for that audience. Compared to similarly priced stovetop kettles from brands like Mr. Coffee or Farberware, the Primula stands out mostly because of its balance between simplicity and practicality. Some cheaper kettles feel flimsy or develop rattling lids over time, while more expensive kettles often add features many people honestly don't need. This one stays focused on doing the basics reliably. Overall, if you want an affordable stovetop kettle that heats quickly, stores easily, and feels dependable enough for everyday tea or coffee routines, the Primula Stewart is honestly a solid choice. It's practical, easy to use, and avoids a lot of the little frustrations that make cheaper kettles annoying long-term. If you've been looking for a simple upgrade to your morning routine, this is definitely worth checking out. And if this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description for current pricing and availability.